for a roofer, you probably have a lot of questions. How long does it take? Do you accept insurance? How much does it cost? Whether you need a new roof, re-roofing, or repairing an existing roof, choosing a roofing contractor is a critical decision. We understand the stress you endure when finding the best roofing service possible, and we all want to work with a company that gives us 100% satisfaction in the end. By working with a fully certified company with many years of experience in the roofing industry, you'll get knowledgeable advice from a team of experienced roofers. We've helped hundreds of customers fixing their problems, and we're confident we can help you, even if you think it's out of your budget. Give us a call. You may just be surprised. To get a fast, free, no-obligation roofing advice, call now.